Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many Premiere Pro users face, missing audio waveforms. Don't worry, we've got you covered with 3 simple solutions. Let's get started. First things first, let's head over to Premiere Pro. If you're on a Mac, or if you're on Windows laptop or PC, navigate to Edit and then Preferences. Once in the Preferences menu, go to the Audio tab. Here, make sure to check the box that says Generate Waveform automatically during import. This won't fix the issue immediately, but it will ensure it doesn't happen again in the future. Now, the first method to bring back your audio waveform is super simple. Just look for this wrench icon in the bottom left corner of your timeline panel. Click on it, and select Show Audio Waveform. In many cases, this will magically restore your missing waveform. Alternatively, you can access the same option by right-clicking on your clip section. From there, make sure to click on Generates Audio Waveform. But what if that doesn't work? No worries, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. Head over to Windows section. And then Workspace. Here, select Reset to Saved Layout. Sometimes, simply resetting your workspace can do the trick. Still no luck? Let's try one more thing. Go back to Preferences tab by going to Edit section. Then click on Preferences. But this time, click on Media Cache. Here, hit the button to delete all media cache. Save your project, close Premiere Pro, and then reopen it. This might just be the solution you've been looking for. And there you have it. 3 easy methods to bring back your missing audio waveform in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.